Why did it take me so long before I started YouTube? I've always want to share a part of me out there because for the past years in my life, I have been through a lot. This year, I'll be 34. I look younger than my age, yeah, and I know that. I know, right? Why did I start YouTube? Number one, I wanted to start sharing my life. I wanted to start sharing my experiences, so many things that I have learned over the past 33 years. And I know that somebody might need those advices from me. And also, I actually wanted to start, but I told a friend about it when I came to Moscow. I told a friend, oh, I want to start a YouTube. Actually, I love cooking. I love to dance. Not like a professional dancer, but I love to do all those things that, yeah, you get it. And I was like, oh, I want to share my experiences. And the person was like, oh, in Moscow, in Russia, YouTube is not, it's banned, so you can't start. Wait, when you go home before you do that. I was like, okay. So I've waited 2 years. Then I started watching, I started learning, I started to ask questions, and I was like, I can actually start. Why not? Then I finally decided to start it, and so far it's not been bad. I love what I do, though I'm not getting so much views, but I love it. And also, as I said, I wanted to document my life, and the greater part was the fear of judgment. Oh my god. The fear of judgment. My friends are going to see my videos, those my family and people that I don't know, and what are they going to say, right? Yeah, but who cares? No one really cares. No one really cares about you, because last month I was at the hospital. I was going through surgery. My life was at stake, and I actually learned at that moment that no one really cares. And if today I'm not here, no one cares. So I will live my life. I will share my experiences. I will document it, and I think I'm okay. All right. And also, I felt I didn't have time. Yeah, I felt I didn't have time because I was working so much. I didn't have all the time that I needed to make all the videos. But now, when I got sick and I was at home, I was like, oh, why not? I would just take my time and do it. And also, I felt it was too late for me, because you can imagine all these big creators online, like people doing hair, people are doing cooking vlogs and all of that, and where am I going to stand? Where am I going to stand? I don't even have the best of camera or the things that people are using for the YouTube things, right? So I feel like, let me just forget about it. The comment section, when I watch people's videos and how they are trolling them there, some are liking them down, like where was I going to really be? Are people going to stop trolling me? And the moment you go viral, people get to start knowing you become like a target for hate and all of that. I'm like, whoa. Let me just stay in my corner. I don't want to put myself out there, because the moment you start putting yourself out there, you're ready for everything that comes to you, right? Yeah. But then I'm like, after all, what? Because I've seen how marriages have even crashed because of their videos being out there. I've seen how relationships have crashed, friendship crashed, family crashed because of this social media thing. So I want to watch them, but I don't want to I don't want to put myself out there. But I think it's what you put out there that will make people to comment it. Yeah, because for right now, see my sunken eyes, see my face, people like, oh, why do you have this and that and that and that? But then I can't say anything much, because you will never know. What can you do? There's nothing that I can do about it. All I have to do is just to be myself and respond to life each and every day. This video might not even get any views, but you know what, I'm happy with myself because I beat the number one barrier, which was what, me starting, and I have started, and I'll continue to grow and grow and grow till I grow. Yeah, so what are you also waiting for? Just start. Just put something there. Just start and thank me later. Go film your short clip right now and come back to me in 24 hours and tell me you did it.